Hi friends, it's Jody with Squiggly Doodles. Let's draw this super fun picture. Come on, let's get doodling. All right, friends, let's get started drawing our fun fox in our fall scene. So the very first thing I'm going to do towards the top of my paper on each side is draw 2 triangles, and that is going to be for the ears. So one small triangle here, and then I draw a line, and then I'm going to draw the same size triangle. And if you need help, you can always draw an imaginary line and put a dot, because then you know they're going to be the same height, just like that. Now from here, you're going to find the middle of this line and draw an imaginary line down and make a point. And you don't want to go too far down, so I just did like a finger's length. Okay, but depends on your finger. You could do half a pencil length or just go for it. Now what we're going to do, this dot that we made, we're going to connect each ear. So we're going to go down and connect and up, just like that. And then here, we're going to draw his nose. Just a nice round nose. I'm going to leave a little white. Now, from his nose on each side, we're going to draw 2 curved lines going up. So one going that way and one going that way, just like that. And then from here, we can draw our fox's eyes. I'm gonna do one round circle and another same size. And then inside, I can do a little line on each side of my circle and 2 little circles. Just adds a fun detail. And then you just want to color all around like that on each side. All right, so now that our fox's eyes are done, let's go ahead and draw our fox's chest. So what we're going to do, from the nose, you're going to go down just a little bit and make a mark. And then on each side of his face, you can draw an imaginary line and you can make 2 marks like that. And then all you're going to do is curve these lines going out and come back in. So we're just going to go out and come back in. See how it's a curved line? And then I'm going to take this line from here and I'm going to go out and come back in. That's going to be his little puffy chest. You could even add a couple little squiggles if you wanted. Okay, now from here, we're going to go ahead and draw 2 legs on each side. So the legs, it's almost like a J shape on one side and then like an L on the other. And then we're going to just draw legs, and he's going to have his little feet on each side. And you want them to be somewhat close together. And then I am going to fill my legs in as well with the black, because today my fox is going to be orange and white. So now we need to draw his body. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a line here, and this is the bottom of his body, and it's going to come up and around on each side. So I'm just going to draw like that, and then on this side come up. And there's his little body. All right, now from here, we're going to draw our fun tail. So it's just going to go up and curve up. And then on this side until it comes to a point. And then you can make these fun little V shapes. And we'll leave the tip of his tail white. Now, if we want to make it more like a fall scene, we can add some fun details. So we could draw a little pumpkin beside him. So what I like to do for my pumpkins is I make one oval shape, and then I start a little higher up on that oval and draw a line going down almost like a crescent shape. Start up a little high and go down. Come up a little higher at the bottom. And then again, up higher, and this one's gonna be thinner. Up higher, like that. And then I have the perfect space to draw a fun stem. And there's one pumpkin, and I think I'm gonna do another one. This one's coming off behind him, so it's gonna be my oval, but I don't get to finish it because it's behind my fox. But then I just start again, drawing some fun lines like that. And that could be the tip. And then I think I'll draw one here, but this time instead of an oval shape, I'm gonna do more like a round pumpkin shape. It's a big one. And then a big round on each side, like that. And this one will have a big stem, like there. And then I think I'll do some fun little squiggles, like this. Almost like I'm making the number 9 or like the number 6 coming off. And it's just like the vine in here. Just some fun little squiggles or scrollies. And if you wanted to add some leaves, just do a little stem, and then it's like you're making a circle and then come to a point. And again, circle, come to a point. And you could just make some fun little marks there on each side, like that. And that is our fun fox in a pumpkin patch. So today I'm going to go ahead and color it, and I'm going to use these really fun marker paints that I have. They're acrylic painter markers. So let's get started. Do is add some fun detail. I'm letting this marker paint dry, but I'll go ahead and take a brown Sharpie and color my stems of my pumpkins brown, like this. And then what I want to do is color my little leaves green, and I'm going to go ahead and just use Sharpie today. But I want to make a fun detail to my fox, and I want to do it with a brown crayon over top. So I'm going to take some brown crayons, and I'm going to do my favorite cross, like a hatch, and I'm just going to draw over top with the brown crayon, and I'm just making lines going down everywhere that I colored in orange, like that. And then I'm going to go on the opposite side. So if you want to do this detail, you can do it with me. All right, so then the last thing I'm gonna do is take a different color brown and I'm just gonna lightly cover over the orange and the extra detail that I made. What this is gonna do is just add a little bit of depth, and it'll kind of add a little texture to his coat. All right, I think I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna add a little bit of red to my fox. So I'll just lightly color over with red too. Oops, colored a little on his coat. Oh well, art is not perfect, is it? But it's fun and it's creative. All right, friends, I'm just finishing up my red, and I really like how he turned out. It's super fun. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing today, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Squiggly Doodles!
Thank you for watching today. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you did, follow us, like us, and subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and website.